It's phonics time. 2 weeks ago, we started with unit 6, letter K, and we said the K sounds like k, k. Then we went to letter L. We said letter L sounds like l, l. Today, we want to finish unit 6 with letter M, and we know letter M sounds like mm, 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 mm. Again, like I said last time, if you put it with R, A, E, O, sorry, yeah. Oh God. If you put it with A, E, O, and A, this will be ma, me, me, o, mo, ma, right? It is straightforward, pretty simple. So what are you required to do as a student today? Trace.
Ma.
As you can hear, she says ma, but it's supposed to be
Ma. Ma.
mm,
Ma. 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 Ma.
Now I just want to note, as you can see, the big M, it's more with the straight lines. The small m is more curved. Okay, so when you're writing, take note of that, how to write the big M and the small m. All right, now here also pretty straightforward. You trace the
E.
Which one do we trace here? Insect.
J.
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 Ka. Ka. La.
L.
La.
L.
Ma. Ma.
Okay. Oops, sorry. So here, what you will do, you will match again. You will match what? You will match the J to the juice, and you will write juice. You will write the L to the lamp. You will write the I to the insect. The M to the monkey. And the K to the kitty. Okay. Or kitten. So that's what you will do. All right. Now, next one. The next one, you just have to trace. Just follow the lines. You have to save this boy. What does it say? Draw Mark's path to his friends. So Mark wants to find his friends. Trace and find his friends. So does he go here? Nope. Does he go here? Nope. Does he go here? Nope. Does he go here? Yes. So what will you do? Like I said, if he follows the red path, as you are seeing here, it will not lead him anywhere. If he follows the yellow path, it will not lead him anywhere. If he follows the blue path, it will not lead him anywhere. But if he follows the black path, ding, he will find his friends. So that's what you need to do. Okay. I hope you've understood everything, and I hope you do this work very quickly. It is really pretty straightforward. Unfortunately, for phonics, we don't have enough time to practice. We don't have an extra lesson to practice. So we have to do with what we have. See you guys next time and enjoy.